Now, I'm sure you're all familiar with the circus. Clowns, hoop-jumping tigers, and dancing elephants. But have you ever seen a science circus? Take a look.
The Guangzhou tour will be the last stop for the Science Circus. The staff from both Guangdong and Australian science centers are trying their best to ensure the quality of the performance.
Now, the Guangdong and Australian Science Center have joined hands to put forward this science demonstration tour around all the Chinese primary school students. And this is their final stop in Guangzhou. A few minutes later, these boys and girls are going to witness the science in an exciting and funny way. 那同学们准备好了吗？准备好了。
As a result of a combined effort from the China and Australian Science Center, the tour is first of its kind in China. Madam Huang Yaping, Assistant Director of the Public Education Department of the Guangdong Science Center, tell us more about this tour.
因为这个澳大利亚国家科技馆，它这个科学表演团，它是受这个澳大利亚国家科技馆在世博会的这个科学周的邀请来到中国，所以他们相继在北京、上海还有广州进行了3站的表演。
In order to help the students better understand the show, the performance will be demonstrated in a bilingual way. Each show will be performed by a staff from the Chinese Science Center and one from the Australian Center. Students will learn about the physics of sound and some basic knowledge of electricity in an entertaining hour-long show. 2 presenters from the Australian Science Center gladly accepted the interview with us.
This is the first time that this has happened, and it's about part of sharing our skills as well. So we're learning from the science centres here and learning some really great dramatic techniques that the Chinese are very, very good at. And we're also passing on some of the skills that we have learned in Australia, putting those together into a show that has Chinese and also Australian elements.
I guess my main motivation is to inspire. We want to associate science with fun, and we want to share our passion for science. So when we go into a classroom, we're all excited, we have lots of cool things, we share some of that fun, some of that passion, and we hope that sometime during the show a little light bulb goes off, and maybe they think, oh, maybe science is cool, I want to do science. That's my motivation.
I call it science theatre, so we're not trying to teach. I'm not a qualified teacher. I leave that for teachers to do. They're really, really good at it. What I like to do is to make it so kids feel that science is cool and fun. The best way to do that is to make them laugh, to show them something impressive, but to do it in a really fun way as well. I've taken 3 drinking straws here and I've put them together to make a longer drinking straw and cut a triangle shape out the top. When I blow on it, it makes a very low pitch sound. But if I take my scissors and blow, I can change the sound because of the length is changing as well.
Electricity is a hard thing to talk about with kids, firstly because you said it's dangerous, but also that it is complicated and abstract and we can't actually see it most of the time. Yet it's everywhere, it's in our mobile phone, it's in our TV, it's in our computer. So what we've done with this show is we've taken a few basic concepts and we've shown them over and over again using different demonstrations and different gadgets.
The show seems to be too short for the kids. The eager and exciting looks on the kids are solid proof of a successful demonstration.
我最喜欢的是声乐部分那个拉胡萝卜那个，因为我觉得老师非常的 可爱，然后很吸引我们同学的注意。
我们觉得这个反响非常的热烈，看到小孩子现场都非常的踊跃的来参与这个互动，是一种很轻松愉快的这个环境里面，他们能够接受到很多科学的知识，同时最重要的一点是他们感觉到科学是好玩的，这个是非常重要的。
Let's hope this kind of activities will be held more often in the future. Tony Liu, Discover Guangzhou.